and we're back with the second part of the 2-video series as promised last week. If you guys are new to the channel, my name's John, Jackie's husband, the man behind the camera, behind the scenes. And like I said, if you guys missed part 1, I'm gonna go ahead and link that up on the top right hand corner so you guys can catch up to where we are today. In this video, we're gonna end it out. You're gonna see the final reveal of the dresser. I promise guys, it looks amazing. You're gonna love it. My wife and her team did an awesome job on this dresser makeover. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
It is now day 2 of the project, and today we are going to take off those clamps, and then we are going to plane it, router it, sand it, and stain it. So keep watching. That we are going to do the routing, and then we are going to sand it and stain it. Planing the top, we're going to go ahead and do the routering all the way around the front. This is going to give it a really cool edged look, and after we're done with that, we're going to sand it and stain it using a 330 grit and then a 220 grit, just to give it a nice clean smooth finish, and then we'll seal it, and then we'll touch up the paint and add some antiquing, distressing, and keep watching. So you can see coming up that I did do the 240 grit on this, and look at how it's taking it off. It's coming off really good. This is definitely the look that I'm going for. And then once I come in and add the coloration, look at that. I love that. Definitely the look that I'm going for. And I'm just going to apply this all over that, just to give it an aged look. Now I know I can drop the link if you want. Just comment below if you're interested in finding the actual wax that I like to use on my pieces. But since this is here and couldn't find anything in the local hardware store for the wax, I'm going to just go ahead and do staining in some of the areas, and it looks really good. I love it. Definitely the look that I'm going for.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, won't see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, just me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes and a coffee too. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car.
If you're wondering what we did with the hardware, we decided to polish them up, clean them up, and keep them because they were in such good condition. There was no need to get any other kind of hardware. So yeah.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
In this part of the project, as I mentioned earlier, I did want to have an aged look to this along with the distressing, and they did not have any antique wax at the local hardware store, so I ended up using my aged wheat stain and spread it out to give it that look.
Countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
And here it is, guys, the finished product. We are finally done with this video, and we are fixing to take it inside. We're gonna stage it and give you some B-roll footage. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. For future projects and custom builds, DIY furniture flips, make sure to like our channel, subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so happy that you tuned in. And if you have been watching us and subscribed to our channel, thank you so much for giving us good feedback. And then also to Miss Jalen, my lovely assistant who has been helping me for almost 4 years. And then of course my hubby behind the scenes doing all the YouTube content. He's amazing at what he does, my goodness. And to Miss Allie Marie, who also helped us with this project. So roll them bloopers, babe. Welcome back. I want to give a huge